Hello everyone. To create an add-on for Sandbox mod, we need to create a new add-on type project, which is also used for creating other packages. Next, open the project settings to select the game you're making the add-on for. By the way, the game search bar works pretty strangely. Sometimes you need to type the full game name to find it. Now select the game and save settings. After that, you'll need to restart the entire editor. And then we can proceed to create the asset we'll be publishing. In this case, it's an entity type resource. This may be different, depends on which game you make an add-on for. And for entity, you also need to create a prefab that will spawn on scene. Now we can fill entity parameters. Drag prefab there, name it and give it a description. Also check the box if you have code for this prefab. Then we can move on to editing prefab. In this case, I'll just make a simple example prefab as a cube and won't add anything too complex. Now to test our entity, we need to open a scene in the Sandbox tab. In my case, it's sandbox.scene. Now we can launch the game right away and spawn our entity from the spawn menu. Cubes has no physics and collision. I'll show you how to add it next. And now you probably have the same bug that I have. That happened after opening sandbox.scene. My browser completely stops working. And I'll show you how to avoid this bug. If you don't have this bug, just skip to the next timecode in the video. So I just made my own asset browser and now you can just use it from the source code, because you can't download libraries when you make add-ons for now. So just create a new folder and put all the source code there. I'll leave the link in description. After compilation, you'll be able to create a new asset browser, open the view tab and just drag it to the right spot. Now I need to sort my view a little bit. That's better. And now, as you can see, I can use all my files again. So let's complete our prefab. Open the model object and add the component with code. But on first opening, our code won't compile. For this, we'll need to completely restart the editor so it shows proper instances and actually compiles. So after restart, add our component again. And open it. I'll add a simple code for console output, and as you can see, now component compiles properly. Also, let's add a collider and rigid body for our object to have collision and physics so we can pick it up with physgun. Let's quick test it. And in the bottom left side of the screen, we can see output for our console. So let's publish it. Check enable publishing and click the publish button. Now let's open our package settings in the browser, change its state to released so other people can see it. And that's basically it. Now you can launch it in the game. After you release it, it appears for other players in the game after about 5 minutes. As you can see, everyone can spawn it now. So I don't think that the publishing process will change much with future updates, so that's it. Thanks for watching. All links in description. You can join our Discord and see you all next time.